Veteran actor Alec Baldwin fired a prop gun while filming a scene in the US state of New Mexico, causing the accidental death of cinematographer Helena Hutchins and wounding director Joel Souza. The incident occurred on the set of Rust, an independent feature that was being filmed at the Bonanza Creek Ranch, a popular production location, reports IANS. Hutchins, 42, was transported by helicopter to University of New Mexico Hospital in Albuquerque, where she died. Souza, 48, was taken by ambulance to Christus St. Vincent Regional Medical Center in Santa Fe, where he is undergoing treatment for his injuries, according to the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office. The Sheriff's Office said in a statement that Hutchins and Souza were shot when a prop firearm was discharged by Alec Baldwin, 68, producer and actor. It was reported that Baldwin was questioned by investigators and was in tears. No one was arrested in the incident and no charges have been filed, the office said. Detectives were interviewing witnesses and the incident remains under an open and active investigation, according to the Sheriff's Office. Hutchins' death was confirmed by the Sheriff's Office and by the International Cinematographers Guild Local 600. We received the devastating news this evening that one of our members, Helena Hutchins, the director of photography on a production called Rust in New Mexico, died from injuries sustained on the set, said John Lindley, the president of the Guild, and Rebecca Ryan, the executive director, in a statement. The details are unclear at this moment, but we are working to learn more and we support a full investigation into this tragic event. This is a terrible loss and we mourn the passing of a member of a Guild's family. Rust Movie Productions LLC, the production entity behind the film, issued a statement on Thursday night saying that the cast and crew are devastated and that the company is cooperating fully with the investigation. The Sheriff's Office received a 911 call reporting the incident at 1:50 p.m. Mountain Time. ABC News broadcast scanner audio in which someone could be heard reporting that we have a person who was shot accidentally. The production company issued its initial statement on Thursday afternoon saying there was an accident today on the New Mexico set of Rust involving the misfire of a prop gun with blanks. However, the Sheriff's Office indicated that it was too soon to say what type of round was involved. The office also did not use the word accident, leaving the determination up to the investigator. According to investigators, it appears that the scene being filmed involved the use of a prop firearm when it was discharged, the office said. Detectives are investigating how and what type of projectile was discharged. Hutchins graduated from the American Film Institute in 2015 and had worked on several short films before shooting Arch Enemy, a 2020 feature starring Joe Manganiello. She was named a rising star by American Cinematographer in 2019. She's a wonderful, positive, creative person that was so excited to be breaking through and making movies, said Michael Pezza, a cinematographer who was a friend of Hutchins. She was really on the upswing. News Desk, Kamuday Global.